On your OBS Studio, open your video and audio sources. Now go to your YouTube and click on Create and select Go Live. And here I'm selecting Get Live Stream Now. So clicking on Now, and here choose the type of stream to begin. Here we have to select use an encoder like OBS. So click on Streaming Software. And here you directly jump into your YouTube live dashboard. Here select stream settings, and here you will find your stream URL or your stream key. So all you have to need, copy your stream URL link from here, then go back to your OBS Studio and click on settings. In settings, select stream service. From this list you have to find out YouTube RTMPS. Select this, and then here server, select primary YouTube, this option, and click on use stream key to connect, and paste here the stream key or stream URL that we just copied from your YouTube live dashboard, and then click on connect account. And now you have to sign into your YouTube account. So go ahead and log into your YouTube account just like this. Once you sign in, you have to select the YouTube channel in which channel you want to go live using your OBS, then click on continue. And then go back to your OBS Studio, and here you see your YouTube channel connected successfully. Now click on apply and click on OK. And you have successfully connected your OBS Studio with your YouTube. Now it's time to start live streaming. So click on start streaming and click on manage broadcast. So now we have to create a broadcast before going live. So you can title your broadcast, you write a description and privacy selecting public, and you can select a category for the broadcast. Now click on create broadcast. Oops, we have to select is this video made for kids. So select this option and click on create broadcast. Once the broadcast created, now again click on start streaming, and we can see my OBS Studio connected with YouTube. So we can see the network is good. Going back to my YouTube, and here as you can see my live video successfully started on my YouTube from OBS Studio. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.